Welcome to the video tutorial of Greencloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to upload custom ISO in Virtfusion. When you use Greencloud services, we provide a variety of standard ISOs in its library, but you may upload a custom ISO if you need something special. This tutorial describes uploading a bootable ISO file containing installation files of a particular operating system you want to use in the Virtfusion control panel. First, you need to access your client area. On the Services tab, select My Services. Then choose the service you want to reinstall. Continue to click Open Control Panel. Now, you have successfully accessed the Virtfusion control panel. In your Virtfusion control panel, click on the Media tab. Next, select the ISO that you want. Then, click the Insert button to apply it. Next, reboot your VPS. Then, go to the Options tab to open your VPS via VNC. Now, the installation screen is ready to open and you can proceed with the custom installation. If you want to install another client ISO unavailable in our library, you can upload it using the following instructions. On the Media tab, select the Custom CD or DVD button. Enter the URL of the remote ISO in the following box. It must also end in .iso as a direct download link and not contain a redirect. Inserting an invalid ISO may cause the server to fail to boot and will require exiting when the server shuts down. As in this tutorial, we choose to upload with the Alma Linux 9 ISO following this direct download link. Next, click the Insert button to apply. Restart your VPS and access your VPS via VNC. Now, the installation screen is ready to open and you can proceed with the custom installation.